Hi there, it's Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. Wanted to give a shout out to a good friend of mine, Steve Fisher. He runs Team Chip Taekwondo here in Elk City, Oklahoma. So he's not here right now. They don't have classes during the day. They have classes in the evening. But I came to sit in this chair because this chair is such a big chair. When I sit in it, it makes me feel like a big deal. And obviously, if I feel like a big deal, then I want you to feel like a big deal too. So come by. Steve will give you a free class. You can try out Taekwondo. It's great for the kids. It's great. Lots of great people from our community come here, hang out, gets the kids away from their tablets and electronics. And it's just obviously something very fun to do. So come see Steve. He'll hook you up.